folks, our next step with the building project is going to be to create our frame. Son, let's go ahead and move this back here. This one, let's move it back so we can see about getting the entire piece onto this. We're going to have to get this out of the way. Can you grab that one of these 2x6s here? This one. And then just put it right there. Right up against the butt joint. Good. And now take that one and put it where I just was. Okay. And then we'll get our nails and our square. And we'll start getting that together here.
Why is it not even?
Well, we gotta just put it even. So the idea. What's that?
Got a pretty big part.
I know, it's gonna be a big one. So I need that back so we can get this square. Okay. That looks good. And then we got trying to reuse some nails. They're a little crooked, but I think they'll work for us. So I'm gonna get this one going, and you two can get the other side. We need some more nails.
Alright. I'm okay. I'll help here.
Okay. Then all we're gonna do, since our nails weren't going in so well, yeah, it'll have to come this way.
Whatever.
We will pre-drill, and then we will nail those in. So one thing we can do here is set it down. We're just kind of eyeballing it on them. So basically this width here, imagine that width is right there. We're gonna go 3 holes. We could do screws on the other instead of nails, but be good to work on. So drill one there, and then Hudson, you can do the other 2, and then Hudson, can you teach Autumn how to use that?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so you drilled, and now you hammer. So grab your hammer and 3 nails. Always watching to make sure your square is up against, how's the square look?
Good.
Okay, good. So I wouldn't put this hand there, but I would swing, swing, swing. There you go.
Sorry.
So work on bigger swings if you can, and you'll figure out how to get accurately. So you can do it from there. Just keep checking your square. And yeah, put this foot up against that, and then push in. Good. So put your hand on this side.
Which one did you not
Go in the middle, but keep it straight. Okay, on the other side here. Yep.
Oh, pretty light actually. We got a big sports space here. Yeah.
Yeah, just don't trip going backwards. I always want to walk going forwards whenever you can. Yep, yep.
Watch out. I'm gonna run into the boards.
Okay. Yep, I can set it down. Lucy can come help. All right, so let's grab, the next thing we're gonna do is just tack. We're gonna get the height we want, make sure it's level. And to do that, we're gonna use these rough 2x4s instead of our actual post, because those aren't ready just yet. So is that the one that's 3 feet? Okay. All right, so we're gonna have to go quicker. Hold this, and we're gonna...
Okay, it's level now. Okay, it's level.
So Jen can see.
Level. Hello.
I have to move that block a little bit.
Oh, heavy. So too long.
Yeah, I don't think that's totally level yet. Check the other sides on them.
Okay, this one is level. Please leave now.
Yeah, this one, we gotta, his back corner needs to come up.
Can you open this budget back?
Yeah, I could have. How's it look?
Level.
Okay.
Three.
So, yeah.
Are we gonna once we're done?
So we gotta figure out, we're gonna have to come back and level the footers, maybe do that again, but as frustrating as that was, at least we got a rep in on that's how we want to do it.
Well, we
And then, so what the goal would be, you guys, is like after we get it fully leveled with these, then we know what length to cut each post at whenever we go and actually notch them out. So that would be our next step.